So for this project we need a cup with holes, a vase, some cotton, and hot blue water. So we're gonna take the cup with holes and we're gonna put it on the vase. We're gonna take the cotton and we're gonna put it in the cup with holes, and then we're gonna take the water and we're gonna pour it in. So after the experiment we did, we're gonna measure the water. So we're gonna take the water here. We're gonna pour it in so we can measure the water. So let's see how much millimeters it is. And it's almost 400 millimeters. But it's 380.